What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I'm wearing glasses. I actually have to call my doctor to get my contacts or whatever. But that's not what this video is about. But this video is going to be kind of a detoxing, declutter / cleaning up with me. Technically, yeah, cleaning up with me. I just feel like, I feel like these videos have been doing well on other people's channels, so I thought I would just, do it. I feel like I just really need to clean. I have to wash my makeup brushes. That's why I'm not really wearing makeup, because I just need to wash my makeup brushes. And I just need to organize some things, declutter, clean up some stuff, and I thought I share that with you guys. I guess so. Yeah. So I was gonna do like a cleaning out my closet as well, but I'm gonna wait for that and let that be a separate video. That may be tomorrow's video. That may be in a couple days. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah. So today is just gonna be a chill with me, clean with me, / type video. I just need to clean some stuff, and I just think it's time to declutter everything, just clean, get the mind right, and the new year is coming, so I'm just ready for the new everything. Just new, literally, I'm just ready for new things in my life and things in general. So, yeah, if you guys want to watch me clean, I think I have to do some laundry in a minute. So, yeah, if you guys want to see that, continue watching this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, definitely subscribe. We mostly do fashion and beauty on here, but I've been liking doing other things as well on this channel. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom right now. So I'm about to get ready and wash my makeup brushes, and I'm gonna do a time lapse on that. But I'm about to wash my makeup brushes, and this is the shampoo that I use. I use the Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo, and I really do like this. I bought this back in I think I bought this like at the beginning of summer, so around the end of May, beginning of June, I bought this, and I got this from Ulta. I think this was $7, or might have been a little bit cheaper, but I really do like this. It's really good. I don't yeah, I wash my brushes. I try to wash my brushes at least once a month, or at least like every week, but I don't. So, yeah. So, I'm about to wash my makeup brushes. I'm going to do a time lapse on it, and I will see you guys, and I will be back in a minute. In the streets, every freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out, to the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, party like, freaking out, to the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, where's the fun in doing? My makeup brushes. This is what my makeup brushes look like. So now I'm about to go to my vanity, and before I put this on my vanity for it to dry, I'm going to go and clean up my vanity. What my vanity looks like right now. It's a little messy. It's a little bit messy, but I want to take a Clorox. I want to take everything off, and I want to take a Clorox wipe and just wipe down my my desk, and then just put all that stuff in that little crate, and just set my brush just set my brushes like on the table, and yeah, I'm about to do that, and I'm about to do a time. Okay, so this is what my vanity looks like now. It looks so much better. All I did was wipe down my table, and I just put all the makeup that was left out of here and in my little crate, and I cleaned off my mirror a little bit, and I just put on my brushes. So now I'm about to put my brushes on my table, or I may just put it right on my vanity so it can just dry, and then yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what my bed looks like. It doesn't look bad, but you know, I just do want to make it up a little bit so, you know, I can sleep a little bit better tonight. Even though I slept great last night, but whatever. But I'm about to just make my bed look better, you know, just make it up a little bit. So, here's so this is what my bed looks like now. It's not bad, but I'm literally about to get back into it in a minute. So, yeah, my bed doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go take out the trash and stuff like that. And so now, I don't really think this needs to be clean. I could just put this in here or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that there. And just, you know, move these up. If you guys want a perfume collection, let me know, because I have a lot of, like, these are a lot of my scent bursts, and this is a fragrance that was at my sister's job, which is at Route 21, and it smells so good. It's called Cozy. It smells really good. And this is from Bath and Body Works. This is what is this called? This is called Andy Stun, and it smells really, really good. I've had this for a while. I just have not used it. But yeah, I've just been really, like, into perfumes and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do to that. I'm not gonna really touch over here and touch all that. So yeah, might be the last thing I'm gonna do is right here. This is kind of like my little nightstand, and it's gotten really cluttered. I just throw stuff on there and just don't really do anything about it. So yeah, I'm about to clean this right now. It looks like now. It is a little bit more cleaner, but yeah, it is a little more cleaner. I mean, I still put stuff on there, but you know, I did the best that I could. So yeah, so this might be the last thing that I'm gonna do. Okay, so that might be the last thing I'm gonna clean. I am going to be doing a decluttering my closet with me video soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I've been uploading literally every day this month. I know you're probably tired of hearing me say that. But yeah, and I think after the New Year's I'm gonna upload every other day. So yeah, if you guys, yeah, so just subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I do feel a lot better about this. I do feel a whole lot better. I feel like earlier everything was just cluttered. I do feel a little bit better. So I think I'll feel a lot better when my closet is being cleaned out. So yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.